Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Groupon. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Groupon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. This ensures you have access to your account settings where you can make changes to your personal information. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see either your name or your profile initial displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu is your gateway to managing your Groupon profile and preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on your name or email at the top. This action will take you to your account settings page where you can manage your personal details and contact information. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the option labeled Change Email and click on it. This feature allows you to update the email address associated with your Groupon account, which is important for receiving order confirmations, deals, and important account notifications. Now you'll see a designated field appear where you can enter your new email address. Type in the email address you want to use moving forward, making sure it's spelled correctly and is an active email account you have access to. After entering your new email, click the Send Link button. Groupon will then send a verification link to your new email address to confirm the change. Next, open your email inbox for the new email address you just entered. Look for a message from Groupon which should arrive within a few minutes. This email contains the verification link needed to complete the email change process. Once you've opened the email from Groupon, click Verify Email Address. This step confirms that you own the new email address and authorizes Groupon to update your account information. It's a security measure to ensure no one else can change your email without your permission. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected back to Groupon. Now, click Save Changes to finalize the update. This action officially updates your account with your new email address, and from this point forward, all Groupon communications will be sent to your new email, and that's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Groupon, ensuring you'll continue receiving all your deals and order confirmations at your preferred email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.